Welcome in Torque Hive. Today we're talking about one of the most legendary supercars ever built, the Ferrari F50. This isn't just a car, it's a V12 powered piece of history, designed in the 90s, built for pure driving pleasure and made for those who believe that a Ferrari should sound like thunder and feel like fire. Listen to that, a naturally aspirated 4.7-liter V12 that revs all the way to 8,500 RPM. No turbos, no hybrid. Just raw Italian horsepower and pure mechanical soul. Look at the design, it's like a Formula One car wearing a tuxedo. Every line, every curve is functional. Carbon fiber everywhere, a removable hardtop. And that massive rear wing that screams race car for the road. Even parked. It looks like it's doing 200 miles an hour. Inside, it's all business. No fancy screens, no touch panels. Just leather, metal, and a gated 6-speed shifter that clicks like a rifle bolt. This is how driving used to be, pure, connected, and emotional. With 520 horsepower and less than 3,000 pounds, the F50 hit 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds, and remember, this was 1995. Ferrari basically put an F1 engine in a road car. The result? Goosebumps every single time you press that throttle. The Ferrari F50 isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's raw, loud, and absolutely unforgettable. In a world of hybrids and electric cars, this is what real passion sounds like. If you loved that sound as much as I did, hit that like button, subscribe for more supercar experiences, and let me know in the comments, what's the best sounding Ferrari ever made?